I'm Rajesh.
Okay, easy now.
And you?
What's your passion?
To be frank, I actually always wanted to be an entrepreneur. As my dad is a businessman, and whenever I used to go to my shop, I used to feel like I have to have my own business. I have to be the owner. I don't want to work under someone. I don't want to follow someone else's rule. I have my own rules. I have to follow my own dreams. I don't want to work for someone else's dream. I don't want to like work for their dreams.
Oh, you okay?
I want to
So
work for my own dreams.
yeah, okay.
That's what I always wanted to do. So I thought I should go for entrepreneurship so that I can be what I wanted to be.
Okay. When you start entrepreneurship, will how will you? So what will you first start with in entrepreneurship?
So as of now, I already have my own company.
Okay.
As in I have started a business.
Okay.
So it's a online fruit store.
Okay.
So wherein you can actually we started with by name Taggy. So we initially we covered one small area. So we delivered the fruits to the customers properly, and actually we had a very good response. The customers were happy with our service. Because of some reasons, so we actually could not continue our business. Again, we are thinking of again restructuring the plan and relaunching the business.
Okay. But what are your successes in the company when you had launched it? In
Okay, so when we launched the company, we actually didn't expect that we'll be getting so many calls from the customers. So we thought that we'll not be even getting 10 calls or 5 calls. And actually, we got a very good number. We got around 25 calls. So it became, since we didn't expect that number, and it became a bit difficult for us to handle the logistics part.
Okay. So what are the parts? What are the things the problems that occurred in
As I
your?
told you, logistics were the biggest issue. So you are not able to handle the logistics part properly. Because of the improper publicity, we wanted to cover a particular area. Because of improper publicity, so we started getting calls from different areas. So it became too difficult to handle the logistics part. Moreover, since it's an online fruit store, the prices of fruits keep varying.
Yeah.
They always keep fluctuating. They don't remain constant. So the day on which we had publicized, on the day on which we actually started our company, there was a huge difference between the prices. The price difference became a biggest issue.
Okay. So the one thing about your company was it was very difficult to manage how these fruits were, like how you had to manage it, get it fresh.
No, getting fresh fruits was not an issue. So actually we can get many vendors here in the Bangalore. You can get fresh fruits and good quality fruits easily. The thing is, since it's a fruit store, you need to be
It should be kept in a place.
yeah. Storage is an easy issue, but when people always expect fruits to be delivered to them whenever they want it. So if they want the fruits now, they place the order, so they'll be expecting fruits within 2 or 3 hours.
Okay.
So we need to deliver the fruits in that time frame. So actually we tried our best to deliver the fruits within 3 hours again, but because of, as I told you, we started getting calls from different areas. So we could not cover all those areas
All the
properly.
areas.
The areas from where we got the calls,
Okay.
we could not deliver the fruits within 3 hours.
Okay.
So the delivery time
Yeah.
that became an issue.
Okay, in your company, how did you train those people in the company to cooperate? You were the boss, right?
Yeah, we were only 3 people. So since we didn't have a proper investment, so it was us 3 who were handling all the parts. It was us who were delivering, it was us who were getting fruits, it was us who were packing.
So basically,
So everything was handled by us. So we didn't have anyone else who could work for us.
and also, are you saying that because a little less number of people working in your company, you couldn't deliver to all parts?
I won't say that not because of the number of people that we didn't have in our company. It was because the area, as I told you, we didn't get the calls from our proper particular area.
Okay.
We got calls from far away places.
Oh.
That's why it became difficult.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.